Do you want to learn Chinese with native speaker on YouTube? My name is Yun, who like hip-hop music, come from China. There are lots of methods of studying Chinese, such as using music videos, regularly meet with a conversation partner, watching Chinese TV shows with subtitles, listen to podcasts, listen to audiobooks. They are good methods, but it's not so good for beginners who didn't contact Chinese at all. In the series video, I'll use names and interesting story that you understand and remember the words how to use in our daily life. Make sure you can learn a new language efficiently and happily. First, when we get up, we'll see the sky first. Follow me. Me and you. 天空 you. 天空 天空 When we get up, we'll see the tree. 树 you. 树 树 And this is tree. And that is tree too. Whatever you see if the plant like this, you can call them 树 树 树 Next, we turn left. We see the characters 仙人掌仙人掌仙人掌 In the end, we sit up, we see the pyramid 金字塔金字塔金字塔 What an interesting adventure. Just a joke. Let's looking for these words. 天空天空天空树树树仙人掌仙人掌仙人掌金字塔金字塔金字塔